We divide 835 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 3 and it is 33. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 5 and it is 35. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 0. So 835 divided by 5 is 167. So this much for today and thanks for watching.